Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use QuickBooks for your auto repair shop business. So first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for QuickBooks. Alright, and then right here, you just have to click on the Get Started option. And then you'd be able to see here the different plans that you can subscribe to. So we have four different plans. So we have Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced. So currently we're using the Plus plan. And then after selecting your plan, creating your account, you'll then just have to proceed to create your legal business name or your own name if you are joining QuickBooks for personal use. And then after that, click on Next. Okay, and then here just have to tell them more about your business. So we have to choose our industry. So for the industry, we are going to choose automotive services. Okay, so let's try to see if we have automotive services, or we can also use the repair and maintenance. So this one. And then here for the business structure, so just going to select the sole trader and then click on next after that. All right, and then right here, what is your rule? So for example, you are the owner or partner, and then how many employees do you have? So you're just going to select 2 to 5 and then click on next. And then here you nail the basics. So here just have to link a bank or credit card to start getting organized, or you can also personalize your invoices to make great impressions. So here, so we can also go here and then do this first. That's right. And then I just have to click on the linked account option, but just going to skip this part. All right. And then click on next. Okay, so we can also set up the invoices now, but we can also skip this part for now. Okay, and then what do you want to do in QuickBooks? Of course, we want to send and track the invoices, track your VAT, your bills, your receipts and expenses, manage the inventory, and then track your sales. So just going to select all of that applies. All right, so after that, click on next. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. So just have to wait. Okay, and then click on let's go after that. Okay, so after setting up your account, is we are going to add your services or products. So we have to go to the sales section. So this one. Okay, so just click on the sales option. Okay, so let me just click on the sales. All right, so we have here the sales. So the next thing that we are going to do is to click on the products and services. All right. So after clicking on the products and services, you just have to click on the create items option. You can also import the items. All right. And then here we can add items like labor hours, auto parts, so engine tune up, like brake pads, or something like that. So for the basic info, I'm just going to add here maybe engine tune up. Okay, so just type out the name of this service. All right, so let me just type out tune up. After that, for the item type, of course, we are going to select the service. Okay, and then for the category, you can also add a new category right here. And then if you would like to add an image for the service, of course, that one of the important things that you have to consider. After that, you just have to click on this add image. And then for the sales, you just have to add here the description and then the price rate for this one. All right, and then the income amount. Okay, so for the income amount, I'm just going to select the services. And then after that, click on save and close. All right, now the next thing that you should do is to record the customer information. So to do that, you just have to go to the record customer information or the customer section. So we have that right here. All right, so we have the customer. So just simply click on this option. All right. So after clicking on the customers, you have here now these options. So select the customers, and then you have the import customer section. So click on it. That's right. Okay, so after that, you just have to select the CSV or Excel file to upload, or you can also browse or select a Google Sheet to connect. Okay, so if you want to import your customer, so I'm just going to add here a new customer. Okay, add customer, and then after that, you just have to input here the name of your customer. So all of the information that you need. So you have that right, the title, the first name, the middle name, and etc. All right. So after putting all of the information of your new customer, just simply click on the save option. Okay, and the next thing that we are going to do is to create estimates and invoices. So when a client asks for a code, you just have to go to the new option and then click on the estimate. All right, so we just have to locate the estimates at this one. And then once approved, turn it into an invoice with one click. So you can add labor parts and taxes. Quickbooks automatically calculate the totals. All of the information you just have to save and send this invoice or estimate. All right. Now to manage the inventory, you can enable the inventory tracking in the settings. So just go to the products and services. So here, this is the settings. And then go to the account and settings. All right. I mean to the products and services. Okay, so after that, you just have to add the other parts with quantities and restocked alerts, and this one ensures you never run out of the essential parts. All right, so you have to take note of that. Just have to go in this section. All right, now for the last one that you have to do is to track the employee payroll. Okay, so to do that is to if you have mechanics or staff, the QuickBooks Payroll to record hours, wages, and deductions. So it automatically calculates the pay and taxes. So you don't have to worry about that anymore. Now to see the reports, just go to the report section. So to see which services make the most money and how much parts cost you monthly and your overall profits. So we have that right here. So for example, we would like to see the profit and loss by month. So simply click on this option. All right, so you'll be able to see that right here once you have the full information. All right, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.